Wait, did that little kid just speak perfect Spanish? Here's a secret parents might not know. Okay, Spanish fanatics, everyone thinks 3 is too young for Spanish, but that's when their brains are super interested in languages. My friend's kid is saying, Hola, me llamo Sofia, perfectly, and I can barely roll my R's. Spanish the Fun Way Academy has live classes with real teachers from Spain. Use code Spanish20 for a free week. Starting early is literally like having a secret trick. Learning Spanish opens up a whole world. You can make new friends, travel to amazing places, and even watch your favorite shows in Spanish. Where would you love to visit? Spain? Mexico? Colombia? Tell me in the comments. What should I talk about next? Leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, Spanish fanatics, let's learn some phrases you can use right away. Ready? Repeat after me. Buenos días. That means good morning. Can you say it? Type buenos días in the comments if you nailed it. Next up, ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? Try it out loud. Now answer in Spanish. Me llamo and your name. Comment your Spanish name introduction below. Here's a fun one. ¿Dónde está el baño? Trust me, you'll need this. It means, where is the bathroom? Say it with me. ¿Dónde está el baño? Now, who can make up a silly place to ask for a bathroom? Drop your funniest answer in the comments. Let's do a quick review. Spanish fanatics, type hola if you're still with me. Repetition is key. Buenos días. ¿Cómo te llamas? In the comments. Which one is your favorite? Let me know below. Cultural tip time. In Spain, people greet with a kiss on each cheek. Would you try that, or is a high five more your style? Vote in the comments. Kiss or high five? Did you know in Mexico, people love to celebrate Día de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead? It's a colorful, joyful holiday. Would you try making a sugar skull? Let me know in the comments. And here's a bonus. Hasta luego means see you later. Say it to your screen right now. Spanish fanatics, which phrase will you use today? Comment below. Let's learn some more Spanish phrases. Repeat after me. Buenas tardes. That means good afternoon. Can you say it? Type buenas tardes in the comments if you got it right. Here's another. ¿Cuántos años tienes? That means, how old are you? Try answering. Tengo años. Filling your age. Comment your answer below. And a super useful one. ¿Puedo ir al baño? That means, can I go to the bathroom? Practice saying it. Who can say it the fastest? Challenge a friend in the comments. Ready for a Spanish tongue twister? Try this. Tres tristes tigres tradan trigo en un trigal. Say it 3 times fast. Record yourself and tag us on social media. Quick quiz. What does ¿Cómo te llamas mean? A. How old are you? B. What's your name? C. Where is the bathroom? Type your answer in the comments. And what does hasta luego mean? A. Good morning. B. See you later. C. Thank you. Comment your answer below. If you want to learn Spanish the fun way, check out Spanish the Fun Way Academy. We have live classes taught by certified, background-checked native Spanish teachers. Our founder, Susana Lescano, makes every class an adventure. Use promo code Spanish20 for a free week of classes. That's right, a whole week to see how much fun Spanish can be. The link is in the description. Spanish fanatics, don't forget to subscribe to Spanish.Education and follow us on all social media for free daily Spanish classes. Smash that like button and share this video with your friends or family who want to learn Spanish. What Spanish class or topic do you want next? Drop your ideas in the comments. I read every single one, and your idea could be in the next video. I get this question a lot. Is it really possible for young kids to learn Spanish? Absolutely. Brains are like sponges. The earlier you start, the easier it is. Parents, share your kids' progress in the comments or tag us on social media. Don't forget, Spanish fanatics, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for free daily Spanish classes and fun challenges. And share this video with anyone who wants to join the Spanish Fun Way family. And remember, Spanish fanatics, learning early is your superpower. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and keep coming back for more Spanish fun. Next time, we're gonna play a Spanish word game and learn how to order your favorite ice cream in Spanish. You won't want to miss it. So hit subscribe and ring the bell. Next time, we'll dive into Spanish food words and how to order at a restaurant. Don't miss it. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, Spanish fanatics. Thanks for watching, Spanish fanatics. Remember, learning Spanish is an adventure, so keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios!